Right. What is the last topic we explained? Once again, can I explain yesterday's class within 2 minutes? See, my dear friends, whenever you want to write a program, then you have to write a program like this. First, you need to write hash include stdio.h. We need to write void main. We need to write open curly bracket. We need to write processing statements, and we need to write closing curly bracket. Why this statement? Suppose, my dear friends, if you want to construct a house, then what are the tools you required? You required cement, bricks, iron, electrical samans. All these are available in different shops, am I right? Before going to construct the house, you have to purchase and bring to your home. Then you can use and you can build a home. That is the logic. In the same manner, here you are going to build a application. To build an application, we require so many tools. Those tools are already built by developer of C and kept in this header file. To use, those are the tools available in this header file. We need to include in our program. By using hash include, you can include. Next, every program will have a main method. So we'll have a main method. It is the first executable statement. It is the starting point. Whenever you want to ride a bike, first you need to open the lock. That is the first task. In the same manner, in your program, you write lakhs of lines of code. But from that lakhs of line, your program always start execution from main. It is called solution. Solution to the program. For every program, we need to write step-by-step procedure. That step-by-step procedure is called as processing statement. Now, my dear friends, here we have semicolon. This semicolon is called as statement terminator. Here you give one space y. The space indicate one word is completed. Full stop indicates one sentence is completed. Semicolon indicates one line of code is completed. One line of code is nothing but one statement. Now, I am going to explain you what is statement terminator. Statement terminator. What is the symbol? The symbol is semicolon. What is semicolon? Why we need to use? First of all, we have to understand what is a statement. A line of code is called a statement, or an instruction given to computer is called a statement. Now every statement must ends with a semicolon. Every statement must ends with one symbol, that is called semicolon. It is called statement terminator, and it is called statement terminator. Statement terminator. In every program, the main method should begins with this symbol. The main method should ends with this symbol. Now, what is this symbol? What is this symbol? So, friends, see this. Open curly bracket, that is called as open delimiter. Open delimiter. What is the meaning of this one? Actually, it is called limit. What is the meaning of limit? Limit is nothing but border. Limits indicates the beginning and ending. Here the curly brackets indicates beginning of the method and end of the method. So these are called delimiters. Open delimiter means it is open curly bracket. It is open curly bracket. It is called open delimiter. Open delimiter. What is the use of this? It is used to indicate the beginning of function, beginning of the function, or block. Block means if you write a group of statements, the statements can be grouped by using curly brackets. So it is used to indicate the beginning of the function or block. Next, closing delimiter. Closing delimiter. So it is called closing curly bracket. Closing delimiter is nothing but closing curly bracket. What is the use of this? It is used to indicate the ending of a function or block. It is about the statement terminator and open delimiter and closing delimiter. Right? In every program, you need to use these symbols. If you don't know what is the meaning of that one, what is the name of that one, then you may get a trouble in interview. Right. Friends, if you are new to this class, please listen. We have 5 free demo classes. It is the second demo class, right? After completion of your free demo classes, I will create a WhatsApp group to you and I will send this material every day to you. Until the finish of free demo classes, you need to note down. After free demo classes, you need not to note it down. Up to that, you need to note down. Please, all of you write down this. Friends, I want to a small request from my side. Tomorrow, I cannot take the class. Why? Because I got admission in PhD. Tomorrow, I need to go and I need to submit my certificates. I need to take the admission in JN2 Kakinada. So tomorrow, I will be in journey. So instead of tomorrow, I will take the class on Saturday. Right? Please excuse me. And tomorrow, there is no class. On Saturday, we have class. Thank you. Thank you so much. Note down this, my dear friends. Can I scroll down? Friends, if it is completed, please tell me. I can go to next topic. Asmita. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Right. Now, my dear friends, see, I will give one example. After that, I will explain the concept. My dear friends, I will get salary on first day of the every month. I want to note down the expenditure. First, I paid 17,000 for house rent EMI. I paid it to 10,000 to SIP, systematic investment plan. I paid 32,000 for chit. Actually, in that 20,000 one chit and 12,000 another chit. For house expenditure, I am giving 15,000 to my wife. So the expenditure, I will pay every month a 10,000 credit card bill like that. But actually, this is the total we require actually. How much expenditure? What is the expenditure value? Expenditure value is 84,000. Actually, it is the final value we required. But if you write the expenditure like this, it is not in meaningful. You have to write the meaning. You have to write the message. What is 17,000? It is house EMI. House EMI I paid. 10,000. It is systematic investment plan. 20,000. It is for chit 1. 12,000. It is for chit 2. 15,000. It is for house expenditure. House expenditure. It is for credit card bill. Credit card bill. So this message will give extra meaning to this amount. Actually, we require this only. But without this message, it will be some doubtful. To get this amount very clear, so you have to write this expenditure description. In programming also, you need to write some messages. Why you are doing that line of code? Why you are writing that line of code? You have to specify. So if you specify a message for user clarification, that message is called as a comment. What is that? Comment. The next topic is comment. What is a comment? Comment is a message written for user. It is not for computer. It is for us. It is for user. So a message written for user is called comment. It will increase the understandability. It will increase the readability. It will increase the readability. It is not for computer, so it will not be compiled. It do not compile. If it is not compiled, then it should not convert it to machine language. It do not convert into machine language. If it is not convert into machine language, then computer cannot understand and computer cannot execute also. So it do not execute. For why you are using, why you are writing, it is for user purpose. For user we are writing. For user I am writing. See, my dear friends, if you don't write this heading, then it is meaningless. It will be some doubt. It is about what? You cannot get clarity. To get clarity, we need to write the headings in the same manner. in computer programs also, we need to write the messages for easily understandable. Those messages are called as comments. Comments are just for user purpose, not for computer purpose. So these doesn't compile, doesn't execute, doesn't convert into machine language also. It is basically two types. It is two types. One is single line comment. Single line comment. Second one is multi-line comment. See, my dear friends, what is a single line comment? I am writing a line like this. This is a comment. Writing for user understand. For user understandable purpose, I am writing this. Here also I am writing one comment. This is a comment writing for user, and it increase the understandability so that user can read easily. Friends, see, it is also a comment. It is also a comment. This comment is fit in one line, but it is not fitting in one line. It is in multiple lines. So it is called multi-line comment. It is called single line comment. Single line comment, you need to start with this symbol. If the comment begins with this symbol, then it is called single line comment. What is the meaning of single line comment? A comment which fit in one line is called single line comment. It always begins with this symbol. It always begins with this symbol. Example, this one. A comment, it is a comment which is small in size and fit in one line. Then that is called single line comment. It always begins with this symbol. It is also called as line comment. It is also called as line comment. Now, what is multi-line comment? Multi-line comment always in between this symbol, slash star and star slash. It is called multi-line comment. Multi-line comment is big. It is big in size and does not fit in one line. It is called multi-line comment. It is also called as block comment. Block comment. It always enclosed within slash star and star slash and star slash. You need to write in between this symbol. Example, this is the example for it. It is about the comments. Friends, write down this.
అదేలే. అదేలే.
రంగయ్య సార్.
అదేలే.
After completion of writing, please tell me. I will go to next topic. Friends, if you want to pay the fee of rupees 2000, it is the Google Pay number or Paytm number. It is also a Google Pay number and Phone Pay number. Using these two, you can pay your fee. If it is completed, please tell me. Please ping a message. I can go to next topic. Asmita, okay, thank you, ma. Right. At the time of history, I explained you one point. C is a typed programming language. Why it is called a typed programming language? Why? Because it supports data types. What is the data type? The next topic is that one. Data type. Right, friends. What is idli? What is dosa? Vada, puri, chapati, parota? All these are types in tiffin, types in breakfast. Here also we have types in data. Those are called data types. First, I will explain what are the data types available in C using a table, then you can understand very easily. In C language, we have 4 types of data types. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will give the examples. The letters A, B, C, D, and so on, Z. Cap letters also. All are called actually alphabets, am I right? In C language, those are called characters. The character always enclosed within the single quotation. Capital A also a single character. Capital B also a character. And so on. Capital Z also a character. Plus is also a character. Minus is also a character. If you write 0 within the single quotation, then it is also a character. 0 if you write within the single quotation, actually 0 is a number. But if you keep it within the single quotation, then it is also an alphabet. It is also a character. And so on. These are the characters. Right. Now the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and -1, -2, -3. These are also the integers. These are also the integers. The numbers are called as integers. Write into only. Positive number or negative number, it is called integer. Suppose there is a number like this, a number which is having decimal point, then that number is called as 0.2, 0.125. The number which is having decimal point, that is called float. The same numbers you can call it as double also. Double. Then you may get some doubt. Sir, you said it is float. It is also double. It should be either float or either double. How it can be act as 2? You can get one doubt. For sample example, I am giving a small example to you. Float result equal to 100 by 3. 100 by 3. Same. Double result equal to 100 by 3. Whenever you divide a number with 3, what happens? What happens, friends? The result should be 33.3333 and so on. Here also the result may be 33.3333 and so on. But the difference between float and double is, listen carefully. In float, you can have only 6 precisions. The digit after dot operator, these are called precision. In float, you will have only 6 precisions, whereas in double, you will have 10 precisions. That is the difference. Both are floating point numbers only. It is also having decimal point. It is also having decimal point. If you want to take only up to 6 precisions, then you can use float. If you want more than 6 precisions, then you go for double. That is the difference. So what is the note we need to understand here? Float maintains 6 precisions, whereas the double maintains 10 precisions. Examples. So friends, these 4 character, integer, float, double, these 4 are called data types. Whenever you store this data in computer memory, it will occupy some space. That is called size. That is called size. Right. What is the size of a character means 1 byte. Size of the integer, it is 4 bytes. Size of the float also 4 bytes. Size of the double is 8 bytes. It occupies 8 bytes of memory. So these are the different data types available in C language. Now come to the point, what is data type? Actually, these are the names already defined in computer. The names those are defined in computer are called as keywords. So these are the keywords. Keywords means the names already defined. The name of the country, India, it was already defined. The state of the name of the state, Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, it was already defined. You and me not defined. So the names those are already defined are called as keywords. These are used to indicate the type of data. The type of data. In C language, we have 4 types of data types. C supports 4 types of data types. These are the 4. Each data type has a specific size. Each data type has a specific size. This is about the data types. Friends, note on this. Here the character means an alphabet or a digit or a symbol which always enclosed within single quotation. That is called character. Integer means a single or a group of digits is called as integer. Float or double. Float means it is a group of digits which always separated by dot operator and it maintains 6 precisions. 6 precisions. Double. It is also a group of digits which always separated with dot operator and it maintains 10 precisions. That is called double. Can you scroll up? Friends, if it is completed, please tell me. I will stop the today's class. Friends, if you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Okay, Asmita, thank you. Do you have any doubt, Asmita? Byte means it is the measurement. Asmita, Prem Sai, you asked Dave, what is byte? Byte is nothing but whenever you measure something, you measure in kilos, grams, centimeters, meters, dozens. So here a byte is nothing but the measurement. 0 is called bit. If you combine 8 bits, then it is called byte. A byte is nothing but the size of a word. So byte is nothing but the measurement. Got it, Prem Sai? The memory size can be measured in bytes. Prem Sai, got it? Any other doubts? Asmita. Asmita is asking integer is 2 byte or 4 bytes. Asmita, in old systems we have 32-bit operating systems. In 32-bit operating system, the size of the integer is only 2 bytes. Now we are using the 64-bit operating system. In 64-bit operating system, the size of the integer increased to 4 bytes. So it depends upon the computer. Now all are using the recent operating systems. No? Now the size of the integer is 4 bytes only, not 2 bytes. Asmita, clear? Any other doubts? Friends, can I leave from the class? Okay, if you don't have any doubts, I will leave from the class. Good night. Once again, I am telling you, my dear friends, tomorrow you don't have any class. I will take the class on Saturday. Please excuse me. Why? Because tomorrow I have to take admission in PhD in J2 Kakinada. I am going there. At this time, I will be in return journey. So thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. We will meet on Saturday.